Welcome Hunter Education instructors to KDFWR's Instructor Training YouTube channel. This training module will give you, the instructor, training on how to post a course on Event Manager for public registration. The first thing that's important to do is, of course, you want to figure out when and where and all the specifics of your course. You want to make sure that you have the location is okay, all the specifics about the location are in order before you ever consider coming this far in the programming phase, because once this post goes active, or the public's going to see it, and sometimes people show up without registering. Not all the time, but sometimes they do, and you want to just make sure you got all your ducks in a row before you take it this far. But the first step in posting a course is we're going to go to Program Locations, and we're going to want to do a Hunter Ed course, and we know it's in Region 2, but also it's in Oldham County. So Oldham County, we're going to do one at Oldham County High School, and we're going to click on Schedule an Event. Now this event is fictitious, it's not actually going to take place, so just for training's sake, we're going to say it starts on the 25th. Actually, let's do it this way. It's going to start on the 22nd at, let's do 6 o'clock, post meridian, end at 9 o'clock, post meridian as well. Something that's very important. Some people forget to do it, and I've done it a time or two. Got to make sure you hit add event date so it shows up on your calendar or your current schedule. Now the neat thing is, if you have 2 or 3 days that meet at the same time, you can just go down the row. 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th. And then say on the 27th you have a range and it starts at 8:30 in the AM, and it ends at 6 o'clock in the PM. I'm going to go ahead and add that event date. Now the thing is, with those Saturday range days, that you want to make sure, most times they will not run until 6 o'clock. Most everybody knows this, but you want to make sure that you give yourself plenty of time, because you don't want the course to end or to go past when you say it's going to end, because people will have plans. People will make plans on the weekend, and you want to make sure that you don't encroach on those. Also, if you have messed up on your dates, if you need to remove those, say, wait, I added way too many days in here. This is only 25th, 26th, and 27th. You can remove these dates, just like that. Okay, 25th, 26th, and 27th, 6:30 to 8:30. It is a Hunter Ed program. It's at Oldham County High School. The event capacity is 50 due to fire code of the room. I generally set my waitlist capacity to 5. So there's no what will happen if you have your waitlist capacity set really high, or what has happened. Individuals will show up because they're on the wait list. You may have 38 extra heads showing up. I can handle an extra 5, but I can't handle an extra 38. Special instructions, you can say bring sack lunch on Saturday. Stuff like that. Alright, this is a public event, meaning that when it's approved, it will be put on our website so everybody can see it. A private event means that it will not be put on the website, but you have to send a link to anyone to register. These are reserved for places like if you were doing an event at a school during school hours. You can't necessarily have anybody from the general public walking in there to take a course, so that's what you would use in that instance. This event will be visible from 8:28 to 9:25, which is roughly 1 month's notice, which is good there. Students can register for this event. Now say you wanted to change that. Say you didn't want people to register for it until the 1st of the month. You can change it to there. You can also, if you're going to do that for one, you need to do that for all of them. Excuse me. And students can cancel registration. Let's do this as well until 9, like that. Notifications. What notifications are, I always get notifications. What they are is they send you an email whenever the class is made or whenever any changes are made to the class, and also whenever you have someone register for the class. Now, waitlist is enabled. You can disable it if you like. The way the waitlist works is whenever the class is full, say you reach 50 registration slots, they're all full, and you have someone else that's interested in the class, they can register on the wait list, and if someone drops, they will be sent an email and they can register for the class. They have 24 hours to register for that slot. If they do not register for that slot, then it goes to the next person on the wait list for that same open slot, if that makes sense. And all that's detailed here on how this works. Pretty straightforward, just to give you a little crash course. Okay, so everything looks straight, but what we're going to do is we're going to take a look one more time. We're going to make sure everything's correct, double check everything, all our times look good, everything looks good, special instructions look good, public event, double check everything, give everything another one more once over, and then you can hit create event. Alright, so now that event has been created, right here it's on the 25th, this event is created for what you want to do, but however, the event is not yet public. The event needs to be activated by your HTO, meaning when he goes in here to his administration page, just click on there and it'll be waiting right there for him. So when he clicks on it, what he'll do is he'll take a look at it, check it out, make sure everything looks okay, and then he will approve it. Activate event. Once that's active, then it's done. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Thank you for taking time to review this module. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call me at 502-352-0550 or email me at dan.wilson@ky.gov. If you have any comments or areas for improvement, please leave a comment in the comment section below.